All right, in this video, I'm essentially going to show you guys how you can make an extra couple $1,000s a month, purely just by building websites for local businesses, personal brands, or whoever your prospects might be. Right. So we'll break this down in three simple steps. Super simple. The only thing that you guys will need is ChatGPT, your fucking brain, and Bolt.new. Right. And so the first thing that we're going to do is essentially head over to ChatGPT, and you're going to ask ChatGPT to build you a prompt, right? For those who don't know what a prompt is essentially the pre-framing or the context of information of what ChatGPT needs to know before ChatGPT starts to build out whatever it is you want them to build out, right? So for this case, the prompt that we need is for a website called ZMT Recovery. So let me show you guys the website real quick. And this is just an example. So this website right here, right? ZMTrecovery.net. This is a health and wellness, right? They have specialists, massage, kid packages, adult packages, right? Massage therapy, lymphatic drainage, sports therapy, deep tissue, soft tissue, cupping, the whole nine, right? And so what we do essentially is you'd want to first analyze a website and be like, okay, cool. Does the website need a little bit more help? Can the website be revised? And is their website outdated? In my opinion, I believe that this website is a little outdated, and I do believe that we can create them a better website, right? So you go to the website, copy the link, head over to ChatGPT, build me a prompt for Bolt.new for this site, right? Bolt.new is essentially the platform that's going to build the website for you guys. So you guys don't have to do anything, right? Like when I mean you don't have to do a single thing other than lift a finger and use common sense. Literally, ChatGPT and AI will do all of it for you, right? So as you can see, prompt for Bolt.new. And the reason why this is important, just to pre-frame, why you have to say build me a prompt for Bolt.new is because ChatGPT needs to understand the format and who the prompt is for, right? Because if it doesn't understand that, it starts to get super complicated and it might not build out the right prompt that you're looking for. So now that we have the prompt, we're going to go ahead and copy, right? Rebuild modern wellness and recovery website, right? Business name, ZMT Recovery, brand colors, right? Location. So essentially, ChatGPT went through their website, scraped all the information, all the written information that is needed to have a website, and just included it into this prompt, right? So everything that is on this current website is within this prompt, more or less, right? So what you're going to do is copy this prompt, and you're going to head over to Bolt.new, right? Bolt.new. Oops. Bolt.new, right? What you're going to do is essentially, obviously, if you haven't already, create an account. I'll link the information below. But paste this, click enter, and then it'll start coding it immediately, right? It starts coding it. It takes maybe about 10 minutes max to code the entire website, but you don't have to do a single thing. It does everything by itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it code, and then I'm gonna hop to the next, like I said, the next clip of when the website's done, right? Again, it's coding. You don't have to do anything. Hands off, all done by AI. All you have to have is a fucking brain, AI, ChatGPT, Bolt.new, and you're good to go, and you can make some money on the side, fellas. Cool. So we'll let us do his thing, and then we'll come back once it's finished. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the final result, right, on the website. So essentially, Bolt.new created this entire website, and all that was needed was the correct prompt. If you guys want me to go over in the next video how to create the right prompt, how to get all the information, and so forth, I could totally do that. Just drop a comment. Other than that, we'll go through this website, right? So we got the header, the hero. We got personalized healing and recovery. We have our services, right? Adult massage, parent, Penanta, whatever fucking massage, lymphatic drainage, kids massage, add-ons, pop-up events, right? Client experiences, testimonials, right? And then head over to services. Boom, boom. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like the difference between this website and their previous website. So this was their previous website. So this is their homepage, right? Let's go down. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Perfect. This is the new site, homepage. I mean, it looks, in my opinion, looks 10 times better, right? Let's go to services, right? Services, boom. They have all their services listed here. This is their website. Now back to the website we built them. A little bit more organized, new clients, follow-up sessions, right? Lymphatic, right? Everything. So everything's right here, and they can book it. And they have a little bit of description on what's going on as far as what they're buying, right? Let's go back up here. Boom, ZMT employment opportunities. Let's go to careers, join our team, why work with us, current openings. All right, it's a little bit more organized, a little bit more structured, and then they can apply now with the form. Let's go to more. Let's do pop-up event services, right? ZMT pop-up events. Very cool, very cool. This is the old website, new website, right? How it works, inquiry, request an event, and then about me page. Obviously, meet Sabrina. I mean, I feel like this kind of speaks for itself, but this is essentially how you guys can build a website in literally maybe 10 to 15 minutes with no experience at all. The only thing you need to know how to do is use ChatGPT. Obviously, have bolt.new, have an account on it, and then again, common sense and critical thinking skills. So, other than that, that's pretty much it. If you guys want me to make a video on how to create a logo with ChatGPT, I'd be more than happy to do that. But yo, if you guys want, go ahead and DM these people. I'll link their Instagram. DM them, be like, yo, someone made a website for you. I'm just kidding. But yeah, again, super easy. And then to publish the site, all you guys got to do is click deploy, right? And then it will publish it. This is obviously a placeholder domain, but again, with a little bit of critical thinking skills, you can connect your domain and you'll have a rebuilt, revised professional website at the tips of your fingers. So if you guys enjoy these videos, go ahead and comment below, leave a like, let me know what else you guys want to see. And yeah, let's fucking do it, man. Let's do it, man.